Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject English.
Dear students, good morning to all. I am your English teacher. I hope all you are fine. So today we are going to see the introduction class for class 6. I hope all you are get the books. So all of you take your English book. Today I give some introduction about our subject and we start the first unit poem today. Okay, are you ready? So all of you take your books. I'll explain. After that we can go to the lesson. Dear students, I saw 3 books in this picture. See, the first one is Honeysuckle, the textbook. It means a literature reader. It has prose and poetry for this year. So, totally 10 units having this book. And next one is supplement reader book. You know very well, it is a story book like A Pact with the Sun. So, it has 10 units. For textbook, it both are considered as a literature reader. For this, if I give any note from these lessons, you should write in your English note. And next one is New Learn Well English Grammar and Composition book. This is of course your grammar book and the composition part will be taken from this. So you have English note and the composition note for this subject. So I'll give the literature part question where you should write. You write in English note. For the composition, you should write in compose note. So before I give the notes, I'll give some introduction about how to write. Okay. I hope all have clear. Now, all of you take your textbook, Unit 1 poem. Dear students, today we are going to start the class. So listen carefully. See this picture. It has 2 pictures. So one is a beautiful house. The second one is a family supporters with the pictures with the family members. So what you can understood from the picture? I hope you know. So both are considered as a family and a home. So we thought a house, a home, both are same. But not like that. In this poem, we are going to learn the difference between a house and a home. Through this picture, you can understood what is that. So all of you take your textbook page number 15. So I am going to read the poem. After that, I tell the summary, listen it, and after that you should read in your home. Okay. Page number 15. The topic of the poem is a house, a home. What is the difference between a house and a home? Discuss it with your partner. Then read the poem. First, I am going to read the poem. All of you listen carefully. What is a house? It is brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps add its eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. The second stanza, what is a home? It is a loving and family and doing for others. Its brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. Its unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. The poem is written by Lorraine M. Halley. So, who is the author of the poem? Lorraine M. Halley. See the first stanza. What is a house? We know what is a house because we are living in the house, so we know the topic very clearly. So, why author give this difference? See, the first one, it is a brick and stone and woods that hard. So it give the structure of the house. It is means the house is just a building. So that is only the author going to clear the thought. It's a brick and stones. It is made by wood. The wood is very hard. Some window, it should be like a glass windows and add and eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. See, the poet describes about a house. It is just made with the bricks and stone. The wood is very hard. It has lots of doors and windows and it has a roof. So totally he describes the structure of the house. So this is really a house structure. Already I show the picture. In the second stanza, totally he differentiate from the house. So what is a home? Generally, we believe both are same, but not. The home is a loving and family and doing for others. So that is only a show that the second picture, the family always support with us. So now you can understood clearly. A house is just a building. A home is not a building. It is a describe about the people who live in the home. It's a loving family and doing for others. It has brothers and sisters, father and mother, and moreover, what are the relationship we have in home. There are so many people, sir. Grandma, grandpa, uncle, and brother, sister. So totally, it is a joint family system. Like a home is made up of the loving and caring for others. It has a unselfish acts. Unselfish means it is not a selfish things, because people, those who are living in our family always loved us. So without any expectation, that is only the authors clearly denote this para. And kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. So always the family only support us for whatever happen in your life. So it is an unselfish act without any selfish movement we got from the family. So we should sharing and caring one another. So this is a concept he told about home. So now you hope you can understood the difference between the house and the home. So now you can say, are you want to live in house or home? So yes, we want a beautiful house, but it not a it how it will be made rich or beautiful with our family members. Without the family members, the house is just a building. So we are not want to live in the building. We want to live with the family is a concept of the home. So I hope all of you understood. It's a simple concept. The only the difference between the house and the home. The outline is house is just a building. The home is it is a loving and family members it mentions. That's all, dear students. Again, I read the poem. All of you listen it. After that, you read in your home. A house, a home. What is the difference between a house and the home? All of you read in your home. Okay. Again, I read the poem and you should practice in your home. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some window, glass, and perhaps a yard. Its eaves and chimneys and tile floors, and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Lauren M. Harry. So today, dear students, all of you should read in your home in this poem. You draw your home. So that is the activity I am going to give for you. So you can draw your home and color it. So tomorrow we are going to see the prose from unit 1. So all of you read unit 1 prose. The topic of the lesson is who did Patrick's homework. So read in your home, then only we can understood easily. So every day whatever lesson I teach, you should practice in your home. Okay, that is very important. So we can see in the next class. Thank you.